Have you ever wanted to make an upside down drip cake? Watch this video to see my top tips on how you can easily create this look. For stress-free cake tutorials and advice, be sure to click subscribe and hit that bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. Also, if you want to hear even more from me and see some behind the scenes stuff that I don't share anywhere else, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @justbakecause. To create this upside down drip, you first want to make sure your frosted cake has been chilled so that it's easier to handle. Place a piece of parchment on top of your cake, then attach a cardboard round and gently flip the cake over. Take your angled spatula and slide it between your cake and your board to release the board from the bottom of the cake. Wipe off the board and spatula and apply some buttercream to the bottom of the cake to make it smooth and have a flat surface. Let it harden in the fridge. Before working with your ganache, make sure it isn't too hot and that it's thick enough to keep its structure. You can find the ganache recipe below. Apply your ganache starting at the edges first. I like to do alternating lengths, so play around with different size drips. Once you're done with the drips, fill in the middle and make it as smooth as possible. Let it set in the fridge. Now it's time to flip your cake over again. Place your cake board on top, then gently flip it over and carefully remove your parchment. Clean it up by using your spatula to apply some extra buttercream. So there you have it, my super easy tutorial on how to create an upside down drip cake. Let me know in the comments below if you try this method out. If you liked this video, make sure to click like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to grab my foolproof Swiss meringue buttercream guide linked below.